In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to locate our mouse on macOS when we can't seem to find it. This tip's especially useful for if you have multiple monitors or a large display and you can't seem to find your mouse anywhere. Thankfully, macOS has a built-in setting where if you wiggle your mouse, it will eventually grow in size. As you can see there, it's gotten a lot larger. So say if it was hidden, I don't know, on the Apple TV logo and we couldn't find it anywhere, we shake it and it gets a lot larger. So if we couldn't see it anywhere, for example, we can shake it and the mouse becomes a lot larger and a lot more noticeable. Thanks for watching. For more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many more services, please visit KazziCom.com.